Hello everyone, this is day 14's homework. What we're looking at here is a sequence on a table, and I'm asking you a couple questions about it. So first, I want you to circle the row of the table that is the actual sequence itself. Okay, so this is an easy start. The actual sequence itself is the y stuff, it's the actual values. This right here is just the term numbers, so this is my actual sequence. Then I want to write an equation. We have a couple different options for equations. We have slope-intercept form or point-slope form. Just do one or the other. I'm going to do both. So slope-intercept up here, and then point-slope down here. All right, so for slope-intercept, what I got to notice is the rate looks like it's going down by, well, here, this might actually be a little tricky. It looks like it's going down 5 here, but down 15 here, and down 10 here. Well, if I weren't looking very carefully, I might argue that this has no rate. It might be non-linear because it looks like the rate's changing. But it's not actually changing. We're skipping numbers. We're missing 2 and 3. We're missing 5. So what I have to do is look at what it would look like if they're right next to each other, or do my formula for rate, which is the change in the value divided by the change in the term number. So change in value over change in term number. That little triangle is a symbol in like physics that means change. So anyway, this basically just says to change in value, change in term number. If we are looking from here to here, it looks like the value is changing by down 15, so negative 15. But my term number is going from 1 to 4, which is going up 3, for a total of negative 5. I could also look at these two and see that they're right next to each other, and it just goes down 5. Either way, my rate is negative 5. We also need the 0th term if we're talking about slope-intercept, which would be this one right here. 0th term is 30. So my equation would be y equals negative 5x plus 30. And I could stop there, but I'm just for poops and giggles going to do point-slope as well. So I need any point. I'm going to pick this one. Actually, yeah, no, I'm going to pick this one. So y equals my rate, which is still the same rate, negative 5, parentheses, x minus the x part, which in this case is 6. X minus 6 plus the y part, which would be 0. Two different equations that mean the exact same thing. And we can prove that by plugging in a number and seeing if they get the same answer. If I plug in 1, I should get 25 no matter what, right? So if I plug in 1 here, I've got negative 5 times 1, which is negative 5, plus 30, which is 25. Over here, if I plug in 1, I got 1 minus 6, which is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25 plus 0, which is 25. So either way, I get the same answer, and either way, I get the right answer.